Alright, welcome back. Today we are looking at the page title. So I just got this quick setup here, just an index with no HTML yet, and in the browser it is called index.html, so we want to change this to an actual title rather than index.html. So to do that we can just add in VS Code. You can quickly add all of the HTML structure with a exclamation mark and then click this, and it will do your basic doc type in HTML, which also adds our title element, which is what we are looking at. This is how we change the title. So if we save this now, this will change to document, and we can basically add whatever we like in the title here. And that is how you change the page title in HTML. So we can actually add even emojis in here. You can't see my emoji selector, but we can add an emoji there, and then we can go my document title, my document, and a space, and save and reload, and then we get a nice emoji up here as well. And you can see, you can't actually see me hovering over there, but it does show a couple of details on the top there. And that is all really I can tell you about changing the title in HTML. So a nice quick one today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.